What's happening, guys? This is Alex over here at My Freedom Smokes, and today we're going to be taking a look at a new kit we've gotten in. It's from the LMC company, and it's called the MARQUEE. LCM stands for Limitless Mod Company. They're the ones that we were carrying those mechanical mods of theirs for a long time, where you could pop on the interchangeable sleeves. Well, they've actually got a little bit of a mod kit going on here, and we're going to be talking about that today. Before we go into the details of the kit, let's look inside the box, see everything that it comes with. You're going to get your mod and tank, which is going to come in this little section right here, along with your micro USB charging cable, an additional replacement coil rated at, actually does not specify, so it's probably the same resistance of the coil that's in here, which is going to be a 0.6. And you also do get this little extender piece right here, and I'll show you what that goes to in just a moment. Looking into the mod a bit better, this is a pretty decent little unit. You're not going to see any sort of immediate firing button, and that's because this whole panel here is a click, like so. So you're just basically just going to squeeze the mod to get your vapor output. Now your up and down buttons, they're in a little bit of a different position. Usually they're in the bottom right here, or right here. They're actually on the sides right here. Like so, one here and one here. And that's going to change your wattage as you see on the screen. Hopefully that's not upside down, it's not cool. One thing I did notice is this isn't just one of those where you squeeze it 5 times, turn it on and off, because if you watch, it'll wind up locking it, but it won't turn it off. So in order to do that, you actually have to hold your 2 bottom buttons down until it says device off. Again, you just hold down the 2 bottom buttons and then eventually turn on, and it'll let you know that you're ready to vape and go again. As for the tank is actually pretty nice. As you see, I just wound up pulling it right out because this is a magnetized fit. You do have your 510 threads right here on the bottom if you wanted to use this tank, say on a different mod. But with this, it is magnetized, so just like so. Now, the extra piece, you could put that right down in here and then tighten it up, and then you have the option of putting on your own tank or your own RDA with this kit, which is actually pretty cool. I feel that when companies put out mod units like this, that it really looks best, using the pre-installed tank and equipment, especially if it winds up dipping in like so. It winds up just making it look a whole lot better. Then once you remove your extender piece, you can just simply get your tank and plop it right back in. Refilling the tank is super easy. You just simply grab it by the top here and rotate. And the whole thing's going to come out like so. You're going to fill up your liquid to the little red max line, and you're going to pop it right back in. I'm running pretty low on liquid, so. And then just tighten it up. Your airflow is also at the top here. You can rotate that to get your adjustments like so. Now again, with me, I prefer the airflow to be wide open, but that's just my preference. I like to be able to get a good deep breath of vapor when I'm vaping. Really good cloud and flavor production. I'm running this at about 35 watts, and it really does pack a punch. All in all, this is a great brand. Limitless is a company that we've come to know and trust for a long time. It just feels like with this unit, they're trying to do a whole lot of different things. I wouldn't say new. They're trying to do a couple different things that you hadn't really seen on mods lately, mainly just with the configurations. I do feel that sometimes that may wind up hindering a product a little, mainly because I really do like this tank, but after a while I may wind up wanting to change out the mod, or vice versa. I may really be a fan of the mod but not so much of the tank. And yeah, you do get your extender piece that you can put in here, but then that just puts everything up top. So when you're getting a kit like this, you really want to make sure you do enjoy both components. And I do thoroughly enjoy both components. I feel that this would be a good little kit for someone trying to find something maybe a little more compact or on the go. Or if you're just a moderate vapor, this would actually be a really good kit. So all in all, I really would give the Limitless probably an 8 out of 10. There's a couple little flaws that I'm not too big a fan of, but all in all, this really is a great little unit. So if you do have any questions about this product or anything else, feel free to leave a comment below. And until next time, thank you for vaping.